Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a little video showing off my bracelet that I got from Jacoje.com. I'm going to open it as if I've just gotten it from the mail, just so you guys can get a bit of an idea on what it's all going to look like if you think about getting something from Jacoje. So right here, got my authenticity certificate. I got a rope bracelet, 8-inch, 5mm, weighs about 14.5 grams, and it's 14 carat, packed by the man himself. Now obviously, I've already opened this already, and I've been wearing this for probably a week now. Let's see, I'm trying to actually grab this out. Here we go, and here it is. Now this is a diamond cut rope chain, and I tell you what, it looks fucking so good in the sun. It just shines like a beast. Here it is next to my 9-carat ring, just so you can get a bit of an idea on bit of a colour comparison, and I'll try and put it on my wrist. I tell you what, this thing is a pain in the ass to put on.